students, welcome to Text Learning Phonics. Today we are going to be learning new words. It is digraph, which means two letters together makes one sound. First of all, I will repeat, then you will repeat. My turn, your turn, my turn, your turn. Let's start. Two letters together makes one sound. Two letters together makes one sound. So today the letter that makes one sound are C and H. And you might know them as C as k, 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 and H as h, h, h. So when you see these two letters together, we need to remember that it will make one sound. It will make one sound, right? So when you say this sound, make sure you're pushing your throat like ch, ch. Your turn. Ch, ch. My turn. Ch, ch. Your turn. Ch, ch. Very good. Can you think of new words that begins with ch
sound?
So I'm giving you hint, huh? You tell me. Okay, what about something that we used to do while cooking vegetable? Yes, we chop them. You can see the picture. Yes. Let's spell it. C H O P, chop. Your turn. C H O P, chop. That's correct. Let's move to the next word. What about when we go to the class, if we want to sit, what do we need that time to sit? Yes, it's chair. So we need chair to sit down in class, right? Let's spell it. C H A I R, chair. Your turn. C H A I R, chair. That's great. Let's move to the next word. Okay, tell me about something that is favorite of parrot. And when you eat that, you feel spicy. What is that? Yes, it's chili. Let's spell this word. C H I L L Y, chili. Your turn. C H I L L Y, chili. Let's move to the next word. What do we eat while enjoying movie and while traveling? What do we eat? What do we enjoy? It's so tasty. Yes, it's chips. Let's spell it. C H I P, chip. Your turn. C H I P, chip. My turn. C H I P, chip. Your turn. C H I P, chip. That's great. Let's move to the next word. Next word is that I do a lot.
It's chapped.
So let's spell this word. C H A T, chapped. Your turn. C C-H-A-T. Chat. My turn. C-H-A-T. Chat. Your turn. C-H-A-T. Chat. That's good. Now let's move to the next word. That is, what is something which is in round? It is in red color. What is that? You can see the picture. Yes, it's cherry. Let's spell it out. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Your turn. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. My turn. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Your turn. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. That's great. What about something which is favorite of mouse? That is in yellow color. Do you know? You can see the picture of this. It is cheese. Let's spell it out. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Your turn. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. My turn. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Your turn. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Let's move to the next word. What about something that we treasure it? It is a wooden box with lots of money or lots of gold. Yes, it's chest. Let's spell it out. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Your turn. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. My turn. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Your turn. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Very good. Move to the next word. It is a game. Basically, it is an indoor game that we can play inside our house. It has black and white squares. What is that game? Do you know? You can see the picture. It's chess. Let's spell it out. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Your turn. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. My turn. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Your turn. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Move to the next word. What do we call a boy or girl who is very young? We can call them child. Right? Let's spell it out. C-H-I-L-D. Child. Your turn. C-H-I-L-D. Child. My turn. C-H-I-L-D. Child. Your turn. C-H-I-L-D. Child. That's correct. Next one is something that is a part of my body. It is chin. You can see the picture also. Let's spell it out. C-H-I-N. Chin. Your turn. C-H-I-N. Chin. My turn. C-H-I-N. Chin. Your turn. C-H-I-N. Chin. That's good. So student, today we have learned so many ch sound words. You can see all the words together on the screen. Do the practice of these words at home. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.